Okay, here we're given this system of equations, and we're told that in this system of equations, A and B are constants, and we're also told that that if the system has infinitely many solutions, what is the value of A over B? So what is the significance of the first piece of information? It's very important. So we're told that it has infinitely many solutions. How could that even be, right? You're used to having, the system of equations has one solution. Well, what if you had, on just a quick side note, what if you had, x plus y equals 1, x plus y equals, 2x plus 2y equals 2, right? In this case, in this system of equations, you will have infinite solutions. Like, no matter, because one function is just like a scalar multiple of the other, right? Because like if you multiply this thing by 2, you'll get this thing exactly. So one is a scalar multiple of the other, and that's the only way you can have infinite solutions, because no matter what x and y you plug into both of these, so x and y, let's say you do 1/2, 1/2. Okay, well, if you plug in 1/2, 1/2 over here, it'll also be 2, and so on. You can do any two numbers that add to 1, that'll also work here. So that means that the only way for this to be the case here, you need this, or rather this equation, to be a scalar multiple of this one. Why am I saying it that way? Well, basically, look, I see that this number is bigger than this one, so basically I know that this equation is some kind of multiple of this one. So what is the multiple? Well, we don't know A, we don't know B, but we see that it equals 12. To get from 12 to 60, you need to multiply it by 5, right? So basically, this equation had to have been multiplied by 5 to get here. If that's the case, then how do we figure out A or B? We divide each of these by 5 to sort of get back there, right? So 2 divided by 5, A equals 2 over 5, and B would then equal 8 over 5, right? And so if we're trying to figure out A over B, that's 2/5 over 8/5. So, flip the second, multiply. 2 over 5 times, flip the second, multiply, like that. Your 5s will cancel out. You have 2 over 8, which is equal to 1/4.